get this set up. Lots of stuff there. We got this here. Looks like we got some nice wheels. Not that this thing will be doing a lot of rolling. So we've got tubes on the sides. I'm gonna try to get these up here so I make sure I don't lose any on my black mat. So short screw like that. This one goes here. I hate going down through that hole. Starting. So these ones get this, and these are the short screws, just like the other ones. So short screw like that. We'll get this started like that. Ding! Long screws, and then the nuts. Wheels go. I'm just trying to get two started at first. You can either use these as a flat foot, or you can use the casters. We're going to use the casters. And there is no fast way to do this. Just have to, all right. And they give you a nice little wrench to get in here. Got nice and tight. All right. So actually, before we do this, you can see that there is a lock for the wheel that actually stops it from turning, or you can lock it in place. And it looks like that's on two different wheels that you can do that on. I'm going to leave mine undone. So everything spins. And there you go.
So there you can see that is the perfect size to sit there in front of the fireplace. We can hold a couple of logs so that we can restart our fire or add more to the fire. And it just sits there, it doesn't take up too much space. So it's perfect. If you need one like this, check this out.